If you want a sleek and durable choice when it comes to bed protection for your 2009 through 2018 Ram 1500 that doesn't have the Ram box but has a 5.5 or 6.5 foot bed, this TruShield low profile hard trifold tonneau cover is a solid option to check out. Now this is great for the Ram owner who either wants to clean up the appearance of the bed by covering it with a low profile bed cover, or the Ram owner that uses their bed frequently for cargo or other gear and wants some tough hardcover protection. Now while its function is solid, this bed cover is also an affordable choice for a hard trifold if you're specifically looking for the ease and function of a trifold and the protection of a hardcover, just at a more budget-friendly price point. A bed cover is a great solution to security and protection, as well as a better look, and this brings all of those traits to the table while being easy to use with a full clamp-on design. Now this not only is puncture-proof with the tough materials, but it also locks with the tailgate, so anyone that you don't want to get into your bed won't be able to, especially if the tailgate is closed and locked. Now it's also a tough layer of protection to whatever is in your bed with a weatherproof design and drain tubes for each of the rails to keep the inside of your bed dry, along with all of your things. The cover is also very easy to open with a pull cord at the back, releasing 2 pins on either side. It folds into itself very neatly, as you can see here, and is secured on the bulkhead with straps if you do want to keep it open while driving for that larger cargo that you may be carrying. Now it even comes with easily removable clamps for the back section if you do, for any reason, need to remove the bed cover itself for full access, making it a versatile choice that gives you options. This system is made of an aircraft grade aluminum material when it comes to the panels and the frame system, making it very durable against weather conditions and anybody trying to get in, being a very secure construction. Now the aluminum is coated in a matte black finish, and the panels do have a nice texture grain to them to add a little bit of that heavy duty styling to the cover, but the coating is really there to protect the aluminum from the elements and ultimately corrosion over time. Now the cover also has some notable smaller features like thick yet flush rubber seals on the side to keep excessive moisture out. It does come with foam blocks for the inside of each of the panels to prevent any panel-on-panel contact or damage, and it also has adjustable nylon straps at the back to make sure that this is secure when it is open. You also have some safety straps for either side, which is necessary, so you can rest assured that this is going to stay in place. And it also comes with all the necessary hardware and odds and ends that you need for a full clamp-on, no-drill install. Now this comes in at about $800 to $925, depending on if you have the 5.5 or 6.5 foot bed. It will range between those two prices. Now regardless of bed size, this is still one of the most affordable options for a hard trifold tonneau cover, and while it does save you some cash, it doesn't lack in quality with the tough build, the easy install, low profile look, and the reliable construction. Now it also is very easy to operate, making this system easy to use on a daily basis, making it an all-around great pick if you are looking for the hard trifold cover that's not going to break the bank. Install is a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it should take you no longer than an hour or so to get this fully installed. Now at this point, I'm gonna hand it over to one of our installers here. They're gonna show you a detailed step-by-step breakdown on how you can bolt this up to your Ram at home. So that wraps it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into it.
For this install, you're gonna need a ratchet, a 17mm socket, and a 5mm Allen socket. Today we're gonna be installing a tonneau cover on our Ram 1500. Let's get into it. First, we're gonna put on weather stripping on this part of the truck. You just want to peel off the protective backing for it. We're just going to line it up. Then once you get it where you want it, just rip it off at the end. And we need to put this bracket on. Slide it over like this. Then we can put this on. Then after you put that on and put this on, do the same process on the other side. After that, we're gonna put our brackets on that secure these brackets for the truck bed rails. They look like this. You're going to slide it on just like that. Then we're gonna tighten it down with a 17 millimeter socket and a ratchet. Just like that. Now that we've done the one in the back, time to do the same thing in the front. Once you have this rail secured, do the same process on the other side. Then, right where my finger is, this little plug, you're gonna wanna cut a hole big enough to fit this hose. We don't like to permanently modify our vehicles, so I'm unfortunately not gonna be able to do that in this video. And then we're gonna put the tonneau cover onto the truck bed. So to do this, just gonna lift it up, place it on the truck. We just want to line it up with the railing. Now I'm going to fold out the cover one fold because we have to lift this up on this end so we can align that bracket with the hole that's up here. So you just need to unclip both sides, flip it over one, and then we can move on to the next step. Next, we're going to put this stud in the hole. So we have to lift this up, put it through the hole, jam it a little bit, and then just so you can see what I'm doing, that little bracket we mounted here, we just want to line it up with the stud and push it over, put it in just like that, and that's it for this step. Once we have both sides lined up, we want to flip up our cover, and then we want to tighten down our stud with this nut. Next, we're going to tighten down this bracket right where my finger is with an M5 Allen socket, and then we're going to attach the hardware to this stud right here. Then attach your cotter pin and do the same process on the other side. In our last step, we're going to open up the tonneau cover all the way, close the truck bed, and that's it. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the TruShield low profile hard fold tri-fold tonneau cover for a 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 with a 5.7 foot and 6.4 foot box without the Ram box. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything Ram 1500, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.